Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 4 English lesson number 2. Each one is unique. We have read in first part about Devendra Jhajaria who wins 2 gold medals in Paralympics, and in this part we will read about story of two friends Ram and Prakash. Ram is a CWSN, means children with special needs. Why? Because Ram cannot walk. So, let us begin the play. Let's read another story in the play about a boy named Ram who was not able to play games with his friends. Here is a small play adapted from a story written by the children of Vidyasagar Institution for children with special needs in Chennai. The play tells us about Prakash and Ram who study in same class. Prakash can walk and Ram uses a wheelchair. So, let us begin the play. There are some more characters in the play which are their classmates. Let us see, will Ram be included in class games? Here you can see this is Ram sitting on wheelchair and this is Prakash, his friend. So, here Nitya comes, his classmate. Hi Ram, have you finished your homework? Ram said, Hi Nitya, yes, I have finished it. Now Ashwin comes. Give me your homework notebook, Ram. I will put it on the teacher's table to be corrected. Ashwin wants to help Ram because he cannot walk. So, he said that give me your notebook, I will keep it on teacher's table. Ram said, thank you Ashwin. Now, Ashwin said, Ram, have you completed your physics project? They were given some project in physics and they were talking about that. Ram said, yes, I have made a model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting, what is it? It is saving and storing of rainwater. Nitya said, Ram makes such good models, and then bell rings. Now Prakash comes. Coming in, hey, I have come to take you to the playground for lunch. Prakash said that I have come to take you in the playground for lunch. Ashwin said, you never forget your best friend, do you? Forget means not to remember. Ashwin said that you never forget your best friend. Prakash said, how can I forget him? He never forgets me. Then Ram said, it is because of Prakash that I could join his school this year. He told my parents that I had to apply for admission to class 4. Ram said that because of Prakash, he is able to take admission in his school. Now Ashwin said, okay, we are happy too. Prakash, join us for a game of cricket after lunch. Now Ashwin said to Prakash that join us for cricket match. Prakash said, yes, sure. Ram said, let me join too. Ram also wants to play cricket. Prakash said, how can you play, Ram? You cannot move on the field or hold a bat. Hold means to keep something in hand. Prakash said that you cannot move on the field and you also cannot hold a bat. I will play carom with you later. So, he denied him. Ram said, yes Prakash. A month later, what happens? Amit, I wonder why Prakash is not on time. We have a big match tomorrow. Means they were waiting for Prakash for match practice, cricket match practice. Ashwin said, he said He would come for morning practice, but the bell is going to ring now. Prakash comes in limping. Limping means walking slowly with difficulty because of injury in the leg. So, Prakash comes in limping. Amit said, "What happened, Prakash?" Prakash said, "Accident. My father's scooter was hit by an auto and I fell down. He had to take me to the hospital. It is a simple sprain." Sprain means to injure a joint in your body, especially your wrist or ankle. So, Prakash met with an accident and he had a sprain in his foot. Nitya said, "How sad. Now how will you play the match?" Then Prakash said, "Hey, I can bat. Someone can run for me." He suggested an idea. Who suggests idea? Prakash suggests an idea that runner will run for him. Amit and Ashwin look at each other. They were not happy with this suggestion. Amit said, "Sorry Prakash, it is an important match." Prakash said, "Are you telling me I am not in the team anymore?" Ashwin said, "Well, yes." Nitya said, "Prakash, be reasonable." Reasonable means practical or sensible. How can you play with a sprained foot? What did Nitya said? That Prakash, you should be practical. How can you play with a sprained foot? You cannot run properly. You can't stand properly. Now Prakash said, "Oh, okay." All except Prakash go out. Bell rings and then Ram comes in. Ram said, "Hey Prakash, what happened?" Prakash said, "Nothing, a small accident. I will be all right, don't worry." Then Ram said, "What about the match tomorrow?" Prakash said, "I cannot play." Now Ram said, "That is too bad, Prakash." Ram also feels bad for him. You have practiced so hard and now you cannot play. Prakash said, "You know how I feel to watch other people play when you cannot join them, don't you?" What did Prakash say? He said that he is feeling so bad that he cannot play and other people are playing. Ram said, "Yes, I do. I have felt this all my life, Prakash." Then Ram said to him, "Yes, I know about this pain because he cannot walk. He uses wheelchair and he cannot play cricket match." Prakash said, "I will never let it happen to you again, Ram." Now Prakash realized his mistake. When Ram was asking for him to join for cricket match, he denied him. He said that we will play carom. Now we will all find a way to play together. Now Prakash said कि हम कोई रास्ता ढूंढ लेंगे साथ में खेलने का. Ram said, "Thanks Prakash. That would be good. In the meantime, let's play carom." And they laugh. So, what did you learn from this story? That we should not lose our confidence. और कभी हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि we are perfect. हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है और हम सब चीज़ कर सकते हैं और दूसरे को demoralize नहीं करना चाहिए. So, that was story of Prakash and Ram. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.